Hello everyone. Everything I'm going to tell you has been checked by the mechanics here in the shop, so let's take the opportunity to show you how to fix each issue. In the shop, one of the topics that comes up most often is the hybrid engine, especially when starting or switching from electric to gas mode. Several owners tell us things like, "I hear a slight rattling when starting," or "I feel a small jerk when it switches from electric to gas." We always explain that this doesn't mean the engine is broken. It's just how the hybrid system works. The transition between engines can feel odd, especially when cold. What we do is make sure the software is up to date and the sensors are calibrated, and almost always that smooths everything out. As one of our mechanics says, it's not a serious problem, you just have to teach the car to talk properly. And while we're talking about the engine, it directly connects to what we notice with throttle response and power transition. Some clients tell us, "I stepped on the accelerator and the car took a moment to react," or "the jerk is very slight but noticeable." In the shop, we usually check the hybrid system's calibration and make software adjustments if needed. This helps the car respond more predictably without affecting fuel efficiency. One colleague always says, "These hybrids aren't like normal engines. You have to teach them to react smoothly." At the same time, there are cases of electronic alerts or dashboard lights coming on for no apparent reason. In forums, people comment things like, "The check engine light came on and then turned off by itself." In the shop, we explain to customers that this is often due to sensitive sensors or even the 12V battery dropping a little in voltage. We check fault codes with our scanner, clean connectors if needed, and recalibrate sensors. Most of these alerts disappear with a proper check, and we always remind people it's better to address them before they turn into bigger problems. Meanwhile, another frequent issue is the infotainment and connectivity system, especially the touchscreen, CarPlay, or Android Auto. Many clients say, "The screen freezes," or "My phone disconnects by itself." In the shop, we always explain that this is more of a software issue than hardware. Sometimes a restart or update fixes everything, and in more persistent cases, we check cables, connections, and even the unit itself if it's under warranty. That way, something that seems small doesn't turn into a headache.